Hey, welcome everyone. This is Zozo Stockwatch Mike from ZozoStockwatch.com. This is the Stockwatch list for the 28th of November, and December is getting closer. So Tuesday, the 28th, this is your Stockwatch list, but we'll get into some news courtesy of the Trade Exchange. Looks like this APEN had news after the bell tonight. APN endosurgery sees FDA clearance for overstitch. All right, so I'm not sure what that is. Some kind of suturing system there. So APEN is popping after hours. So that's going to be on our watch list, and we'll go through the watch list in a moment. Let me catch up on some of this news here. Macy's Incorporated announces debt tender offer. So not much going on with Macy's after hours. CPRX, they're doing an offering. As you can see, the stock is down in the after hours. RDUS. Let's check this stock. Ticking up a little bit. Health announces commercial leadership changes for RDUS. So I guess not major news there. Acme, AKAM, had some news. AKAM completes acquisition of Nominium. All right, so there's AKAM. Mara was selling more after these stocks, these Bitcoin stocks and blockchain stocks had huge runs. This morning it went all the way up to $17 a share, and from 17 came all the way down to about $4 and change on Mara. And Riot was another one that popped this morning, came all the way back down. So Riot down, Mara down. What was the other ones? Grow hit 750 back down to 5. So all those Bitcoin and blockchains might be in play tomorrow. So we'll see, after the big moves up and then the moves down. So maybe people are itching to get back in those. What was the other one? SSC, right? That's one. Yeah, popped all the way up to about 575 in the pre-market. This is a 5-minute chart, extended hours, and then came all the way back down to 279. All right. After the bell, THO. Oh, nice type in there, Mike. THO. This one had earnings per share and revenue beat, so nice pop there from about $1.30, 137, excuse me, all the way up to $151 a share on that earnings per share revenue beat. LDOS had some news after the bell. LDOS. And that stock popped in the after hours up to about 62, pulled back to 61 and change. Let's see if there was anything else. TECD had earnings after the bell, TECD, and a nice pop in that stock, TECD Computer Distribution, up to $98 a share after the bell. Some Form 4s came out, some purchases, AAT, ITCI, let's see, AGFS, EVH, AEZS had news after the bell. Let's see, that stock popped but gave it back. This will be on our watch list. And once again, we'll go through the watch list in a moment, just catching you up on some of the news courtesy of the Trade Exchange. Some earnings before the open tomorrow: BNS, CBK, EARS. Momo, LEJU, Nomad, NOMD, Autodesk is after the bell, Marvel after the bell, Nuon after the bell, PSTG after the bell. All right, so those are some names that are coming out after the bell. RGCO raises annual dividend. Let's check that one out. RGCO. So not much going on there on RGCO. All right, so there's some of the news that came out after the bell. Let's go ahead and look at our futures. It's about 7:37 Eastern time, my time. Futures are down about 33 currently. S&P futures down about 4, and Nasdaq futures down about 10. So your futures are down a little bit currently in the overnight session. Gold is up about $1.26, and WTI crude oil down about a quarter on WTI API crude oil. For our calendar of events for tomorrow, we have some Fed speak tomorrow, Dudley speaking at 9:15, and Jerome Powell speaking at 10 o'clock. So that should be interesting, since I think he's going to be the new Fed chair, I think. Don't forget, we have some numbers coming out from Asia tomorrow night, 6:30, and 10 to 7 from Japan. So there's some numbers there from Asia. Back to our markets at 8:30, we have international trade. At 8:55, the Red Book. 9 o'clock, the home price index, and then Case-Shiller at 9 o'clock. 10 o'clock, we have consumer confidence. We have the Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index, and then 4:30 we have API crude oil data coming out at 4:30. So watch your USO ETF or UCO ETFs on that API crude oil data. Don't forget, Wednesday, Janet Yellen is speaking at 10 o'clock in the morning Eastern Time, and that's Wednesday the 29th. All right, let's take a look at some of the action in the market. Some of the stocks that were strong today, top gainers. We had SIFI, MTBC, Roku, CUDA is getting bought out or got bought out. NEPT, ZN, an oil name, was moving up today. JMEI moving up, BV moving up, SWIR, QD bounced off of there, selling off. MDP moving up, down to the downside. ELTK, SRAX, NETE, MICT, QDEL, YIN, NCNA, SE, TSM, Taiwan Semi. So those names were moving down. Here's your unusual call activity for today, for Monday, courtesy of the Trade Exchange. We had Biogen call activity, SGEN, unusual call activity, HUM, HUM, unusual call activity, Play. What is Play? That's Dave and Buster, right? Yeah, Dave and Buster's. Humana is HUM. And as you can see, that stock was grinding up all day for Humana. To the put activity, DKS, Red Hat, LRCX, PIR, Box, and good old GoPro, some put activity there in GoPro. Once again, that's courtesy of the Trade Exchange. So it looks like, the market really couldn't, reach this resistance area today and make new highs. We have been making new highs right along, and then today we took a little bit of a pause. Might have been due from, travelers, exhausted from Thanksgiving, right? A lot of traveling to see friends and relatives, and so maybe Monday was a travel day. We'll have to see. The futures are, like I said, right now they're down a tad, so we'll see how the open's going to be for the SPY. Currently, I don't have a lot of swing trades open. I have Twitter and I have Team currently open, a couple of swing trades, but not much, and I've already taken some off the table on Twitter. So we do swing trading and day trading at the service at zozostockwatch.com. So I don't have too much on the table right now. So I guess that's kind of good. IWM currently, kind of an engulfing type of candle here, I guess, and we're trying to hold this 5 EMA, but some solid down action here in the IWM, IWC, kind of taking back Friday, was it Friday? Yeah, Friday's gains, moving back down, but holding above the 5 EMA on the IWC. The Qs, a little bit of indecisive candle here, up here at these record highs. So bears nor bulls could make headway. So we ended up right smack in the middle for the QQQ. But names like Amazon were pushing higher today. Google, when I looked, was moving up. Yeah, breaking out to new all-time highs. Apple, still holding the 5 EMA on Apple. Nvidia, holding up okay. Still holding up above the 10 SMA. But, kind of giving it up a little bit here on Nvidia. So we'll have to see on that. Tesla didn't do much today. for Tesla, still below the 200 SMA on Tesla, still below this 50 SMA, which is curling down for Tesla. Did we talk about Netflix? No. Netflix still holding above the 50 SMA on Netflix, but can't really get back above this 20 SMA currently, the red line you see here on Netflix. Priceline, another big name, still below the 20 SMA on Priceline. SQ took a big hit. We called a short on this one on the break of 43 bucks, and it went all the way down to 41 on SQ. Have a couple of members that got that on an intraday trade, and they ended up making some very nice money on SQ short on that name on the intraday. All right, let's go ahead and get right into that watch list. So I'm going to have this AEZS on watch for maybe a possible intraday. It did pop, then it pulled back though, so I'm not too confident in that one. APEN, the big pop in the after hours, so this will be on watch for intraday play. AQMS, nice candle here, nice volume. We'll see if there's any kind of a follow through in this AQMS. Let's see, in the after hours it's ticking up here at 420 on AQMS, so it might be in play for tomorrow. BB BlackBerry holding above the 50 SMA, holding above the 5. So, watching to see if this thing can maybe get above 10.95 for the 11 break on BB. CERC, big pop today on this name. Did give a lot back, but we'll see if there's any kind of reset on this name intraday tomorrow. CRCM, possible swing trade here. It's holding above the 10, holding above the fast moving averages. Like I said, I don't have many swing trades on right now because I just felt the market needed a little bit of a respite after last week's run. And so I was taking some off the table last week, but now I'm looking to put some swing trades on depending on how the market is tomorrow. So the CRCM might be one of them that I put on. CSIQ also, nice daily chart here setting up. Looking for that one for a possible swing trade. CYCC now back to day trading. Looking for that $2 break on CYCC. We'll see if that one sets up. DCIX, we actually traded this one today. Got a very nice trade in this towards the end of the close here on DCIX. So this one will be on watch. I made a video. I'll attach it to this video, and you can watch that DCIX alert. DPW. We'll see if this one wants to maybe make a move intraday tomorrow on DPW. Ran all the way up to, what was that, 350 or so, pulled back to 213, so we'll see if that sets up. DSS, trying to get back over, this 105, 106 area here on DSS. Keep your eye on that one. ECYT, maybe still shaping up here. Looking for this one to break out of this consolidation. EGLT, nice pop here today, nice volume, 1.5 million. We'll see if that can get over that $1.25 spot on EGLT. EKSO, we traded that today. Nice pop off the 10 SMA on EKSO. That'll be on watch. First Solar, maybe setting up for a swing trade, might be re-triggering here. HMNY, looking for this maybe to take out 14.90 for the $15 break on HMNY. KL, a gold stock, trying to get back above $15 a share here on KL. And we didn't really look at gold when I was looking at the markets, but gold pushed up today. So keep your eye on that KL for a possible trade. HMY, another gold play that was getting some action, 2.8 million shares, HMY, and I need to add that to my own watch list, HMY, gold play. And let's also check out another gold play, AUY. Might be trying to break over 275 area here, 6 million shares in AUY. Let me go ahead and add that. I forgot to add it, AUY. So that'll be on my watch for tomorrow. Now back to our list. MTBC, nice pop here, possible intraday setup, 2.9 million shares in that name. So we'll see if that sets up intraday. PXS, I don't know, it popped all the way up here, was running all day. Couldn't get a trade in it though. Got halted like 6 or 7 times on PXS. Big pop here. So we'll see if that sets up intraday. I don't know, it might be just a one and done kind of a day here. SIFI, nice candle here, nice volume. We'll see if that sets up intraday. SORL, we spoke about this on last night's video. Nice bounce off of this 10 SMA on SORL. Let's see if there's any continuation in that. TCCO, big volume, expanding volume here. So we'll see if this one wants to set up. TEUM, up after hours, trading at $1.72 on TEUM. So nice comeback from what, $1.13, trading up at $1.72, $1.73. So that'll be on watch. XIN, I guess they're blockchain or Bitcoin, something related in this XIN. So this was moving up. It was very spready here on the name XIN. So we'll see if this sets up intraday. An oil name that was actually up today was ZN. I mean, it popped up to the 200 SMA, which is at $2.41, 1.6 million shares. Let's see, after hours, I guess it popped up to about 223, 230 area, maybe in the after hours. I don't know if that's real or not. ZN will be on watch tomorrow. Small little oil name. All right, so that's your watch list and the news from courtesy of the Trade Exchange. Really good, fast news service, Trade Exchange. Check it out, the Trade Exchange. .com, built for traders by traders, and also come check out zozostockwatch.com. And if you're new to my videos, please subscribe to my videos and hit the subscribe button. If you like these videos and they're helping you out, if you like the rundown each night, hit that like button, and you know, if you feel free, retweet them, tell your friends to watch the videos, and subscribe to the channel. All right, folks. And that's it. All right. Thank you very much. And tomorrow will be Tuesday, the 28th. And I hope you have a good day trading. And let's see what this market wants to do tomorrow. All right. Back at it tomorrow night with another video for Wednesday. Have a great evening, all.